10 sites to get free stock videos for social media. Pixabay.com. Pixabay offers over 1.2 million images and videos, all released under Creative Commons license. That means you don't need to give permission or give credit to the artist to use or modify the content. If you are using it for commercial purpose, but it is still best practice to always credit the owner. Pixabay has a great collection of SD stocks videos, whether you are looking for a quick 12-second clip of someone typing or a minute-long shot of future art from space. And number 2 is pixels.com. Pixels.com began as a free photo shoot but has since added a large library of free SD stock videos and to their name. All videos on Pixels have enough pixels to look great on any screen. Their collection is also under the CC Creative Commons videos license. You can edit and use the videos for personal and commercial purposes without asking for permission or linking back to the original source. Use the list of popular searches to find the most in-demand stock videos. Number 3, Vivedo.com. Vivedo.net. Vivedo offers free stock videos footage as well as motion graphics created by their community of users. The clips you download from Vivedo will be licensed in one of two ways, either through the Vivedo standard license or the Creative Commons license. Number 4, lifeofvids.com. It is a collection of free stock videos, clips and loops from Lero, an advertising agency in Canada. There is no copyright restriction, but redistribution on other sites is limited to 10 videos. To download a high resolution of any video on the site, click on the Vimeo logo in the bottom right hand corner of the video player and you will see the download button. New videos are added quickly and they have got a beautiful collection of free stock images. You can check it out as well. Number 5, Splitsire.com. It was created by a web designer who wanted to offer his photos and videos for a personal and commercial use. The fact that these photos or videos were all created by one person makes them more unique than content from other sites. The videos are primarily drone footage of beautiful outdoors scenes and you can download them by clicking on the title below each video. You are free to use them across all the social media channels, but you can't sell them or use them in projects with inappropriate content such as violence and discrimination. And number 6 is Distill. For an ongoing supply of free SD videos, check out Distill. It is a collection of carefully curated stock footage made for creatives by creatives. Just submit your email address and you will get 10 free videos delivered to your inbox every 10 days. Since the clips have been handpicked by a team of creatives, you are guaranteed to get video footage that will help you stand out on social media. Number 7, Dareful.com. With new videos added every day, stock footage for free had a wide range of video footage you can use on social networks. Sign up with your email and you will have access to their entire collection of professional stock videos. Number 8, Videz.com. It has a large collection of video clips that are royalty free for personal and commercial use. Although they do ask you to credit when using their footage, however you can also buy credits that will allow you to use footage without attribution. Number 9, Video Blocks has a huge collection of aerial footage time-lapse videos, and standard B-roll clips of various environments and situations. You do not have to become a member to download videos, but during your 7-day free trial you can download 5 files. The search fields make it easy to narrow down your results and find the perfect clip for your project. And the last one is vidsplay.com. There are new videos added on a weekly basis to the Vidsplay collection, which makes it a great resource for keeping your video content fresh. Now you can download and use any video without paying royalties. To download a video clip, right click on the download link and choose save link. If you are using phone, just press and hold the video clip to download it. You have got some amazing and free stock video footage. Now what, check it out. I will keep the all links below in my description. You can get from there. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates. Thank you.